Today we're analyzing market with CoinGecko app. CoinGecko is a market analyzing app. Yeah. For you to get this CoinGecko app, first of all, open your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and download your CoinGecko app. After downloading the CoinGecko app, you click the CoinGecko, then this is what the interface will show you. Then you look for the coin you want to analyze. Let's use BNB as an example. You click on your coin, then this is what the BNB chart is showing us. Then let's scroll down and see other analysis. So this coin is ranked at number 4. Their market cap is 91.5 billion, while their fully diluted valuation is 91.5 billion also. So their market cap FDV ratio is 1. As you can see, their market supply is 200 million. Their total supply is 153.9 million. So this BNB is ranked at number 4 with 91.5 billion. So let's look at the market chart. So we change the market from other chart to this. Yeah, in 7 days, this is how the market has been performing. And let's look at the 1 month. In 1 month, the past 1 month, this is how the market has been going. 3 months, 1 year, and maximum. That maximum is from 2 years and above. That's the meaning of that maximum. So this is how the market has been going for that period. So let's go to the main market. Yeah. So these are the main markets rating. So these exchanges are rating this market good. Example, this Gate.io is rating this market coin. This coin, they are rating it good. So all these exchanges you are seeing here are one of the top 10 markets. Yeah, this Binance, especially this Binance is like Binance is ranked the number 1 market exchange. Yes. So Binance is rating this BNB good, meaning this BNB is good for you to buy or sell depending on the analysis and the trend. So Bybit is also rating this market coin good. So let's look at those exchanges that are rating this market low or fair. So these are the exchanges that are rating this market low. And one of the reasons these exchanges are rating this coin low is because this coin is not going with their target. Yeah, the coin is going against their target. That's why they are rating this coin low in this market chart. Yeah, let's go back. So for you to see other informations, you scroll. This portfolio is like putting a coin as your favorite. So you go front, you see information. This is information about the particular coin you are analyzing. So with this, you will know whether the coin is legit or not. This coin has been existing since July 8, 2017. Yes. So this is the news. You go for latest news, the recent news. We look at what the recent news is saying. That recent news will also help you to analyze your market. It's called fundamental. Yeah. So you can't be seeing 19 days ago and be analyzing market with 6 months ago. No. When you are doing it like that way, you are likely to lose your money. So you have to go with the recent news. Yeah. Then when you click it, this is how it shows. Then let's go back and see other coins. Let's search for Atom. Atom is a coin. Let's look for Atom. Do analysis again with Atom and see. this is atom. You click on it, click on the coin you want to analyze. Yeah, so this is the interface. This atom is ranked at number 45. Yeah, and you remembered BNB was ranked at 4th, so now it's 45. Then this one, the market cap of this one is 2.5 billion, while BNB was 91.5 billion. So this one, the total, let's look at the market here. This is how the market will be going. Yeah, let's look at the market. So this one, this exchanges has been rating this market good. Yeah, they're rating this coin good. Binance has been rating this coin good. Their base price is 6.4, while their target price is also 6.4. Their 24-hour volume is 7.83. So with all this information, so that's why they are rating this coin good. So let's scroll. Gecko, their 24-hour volume is 0.48. Let's check out those exchanges are rating market low. Osmosis rate this market low because their 24-hour volume is 0.0%, and the base volume is not going anywhere with the target volume. So let's use this as Astroport. See, Astroport is also rating this one low because their base price and target price very different. Yeah, OKX is also rating this atom low, meaning this atom, many exchanges are rating this atom low because OKX is one of popular exchanges. Then as you can see, we scroll information about this atom. You can read and know since when the atom has been existing, when the coin you are analyzing has been existing. So let's go back. Next time we'll be analyzing NFT. Yeah, the difference between NFT and cryptocurrency coin. In our next video we'll be doing that. So please subscribe, follow, drop your question in the comment section. Let's look on it. Yeah.